Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two trading platforms, which is Webull and Robinhood. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about Webull, Webull in 2025 is built for traders who want more depth without high cost. It offers commission-free trade, advanced charting tools, technical indicators, and even paper trading for practice. It's great for learning and growing as an active trader. The downside is that its research tools are limited compared to pro brokers, and customer support can feel basic at times. Talking about Robinhood, on the other hand, is still the easiest platform for beginners with a sleek app, functional shares, and an instant deposit. It makes investing simple and accessible. It also supports crypto alongside with stocks and ETFs. So, however, it lacks the advanced tools that Webull offers, and its asset realities is narrower. So in short and in conclusion, Webull is still the better for active trader who wants depth, while Robinhood is perfect for beginners who value simplicity. So your choice depends on which one you think is best for you. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.